I'm going to give away a printer. How do I start this? I don't know how to be on camera. This year has been great for filament sales, and I decided to do a little giveaway. The shelves are getting a little bare, but I do have 400 more rolls coming in. If you want to take a look at the selection, go to punchycreations.ca and see what I have available. Like I said, I got 400 more rolls coming in right away. Every color, every type. But let's get to the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away this printer. All you got to do is comment on this video, share it with all your friends, and if you want to subscribe, that'd be great too. As soon as I hit 1,000 followers on this channel, I will pick a name and contact you.